Here is the game. I'm going to be explaining this template. So time is like a library that it like stops your code for 2 seconds, so you get like time to like I don't know think or something. And then here are all the things you can say for the questions. You can say T lowercase, true lowercase, and then French version, and then the rest for false, and then we have correct. So these are like the answers you get correct, yeah. So this is the name, so you store the user's name as it says right here, so it remembers. And then this is the code that it says to you, and then it just like times it, so it waits 2 seconds. And then here's the first question: Paris is the capital of France. And then so choice is an input, and then if it's true, if it says it's true, or it says one of these over here, then if it's correct, then it will print correct and it will give you 1 point. So this becomes a 1. And then it keeps going up and up because there's 6 questions. If it's if you print F or false because it's the wrong answer, then it will not give you a point. So this will stay 0 and it will say false. And then a bunch of other questions that I just added. So like Gwen is not Slay. If you don't know who Gwen is, it's my favorite character from the show. And then Tanisha is Ice Spice. She made me put this as true, so we do not talk about that. And then I love Ben, which is my favorite character, so of course I had to put that as true. And then butter chicken is yummy. If you don't like butter chicken, that's your opinion. Wait. Bloxburg ain't Slay is a game. And then over here, it says you're finished. You got 6. So up here, this is how much, like it will put how much you got correct, and it stored the name. So it says name right here, the same name. And then and then it's like, and then over here is this is just copied from the site, so do not ask why it's a different language, I'm pretty sure. So it just has something and then it finishes. So let's test the code. So over here, I'm just gonna put Gwen. Paris is the capital of France. I'm gonna put true. That's correct. And I'm gonna put all the answers in. Yeah. And then at the end, for this code that we pasted, it just shows a design because you got 6 out of 6, like over here. If correct equals 6, that yeah, we don't talk about this. Okay, it was from the template. Okay. And then let's say if you got something wrong, let's say false, then false. Sorry. True. Tanisha, false. I love Gwen, false. False. Okay, so you got 0 out of 10, 0 out of 6. So then it won't show anything. And yeah, that's the template.